The WEG CFW500 is a feature-rich variable frequency drive family that's available in 230 volts from 1/4 to 40 horsepower, with some in multiple sizes and some that can be run off of single phase, and 460 volt drives through 150 horsepower. There's even IP66 or NEMA 4X 230 volt versions through 10 horsepower and 460 volt IP66 drives through 20 horsepower for your washdown and outdoor applications. And every one of those is available with a built-in disconnect. That's right, you don't have to spend time, money, or real estate adding an external IP66 rated disconnect. You can order your CFW500 drive with one already built in. So with true closed-loop flux vector and closed-loop torque control, a built-in PLC, and options like a dedicated safe torque off module, lots of I/O and COM modules to choose from, IP20 drive NEMA 1 kits that are easy to install to protect your drive from falling debris, a full alphanumeric remote keypad, fan kits that are super easy to remove and replace, free configuration and monitoring software, and a Pump Genius wizard that helps you build and configure a wide variety of pumping systems. Well, you can see why the CFW500 drives are such great cost-effective performers for most of your variable frequency drive needs. And with fast 2-day shipping, free shipping on orders over $49, free support, free video tutorials, and a 45-day money-back guarantee, well, you have nothing to lose. Try one today at AutomationDirect.com.